My deal was I didn't want to have plastic surgery, and I did want to correct like my laugh lines. I had, you know, some lines here and there, and I lost a little bit of firmness under my jaw. I was a flight attendant for a long time, and I was also a runner. So my skin has gone through a lot of different changes. And I love just not having to wear tons of makeup, and I just like being the best me I can be.
And if you want a fresh look without having to go under the knife, check out a new treatment that might be a great fit. Here to tell us more is Dr. Nicole Hayre. She's a board-certified dermatologist and founder of the Cosmetic Dermatology Center. Welcome, Dr. Nicole.
Thank you so much for having me.
Now tell me about this new procedure. It's called NovaLyft.
Yes. The NovaLyft is made out of an absorbable suture, and this suture material has been used in cardiothoracic surgery for many years. So we know it's safe, and we know that people do not react to it. It does not leave scarring. And the reason that it's different is the shape of the thread. And as you can see, it goes right under the skin, and it gently lifts and repositions the skin to give you a natural lifted look.
And the patient was, she was saying something that I think a lot of people can identify with. They don't want to go under the knife, and they do want to feel safe when getting a cosmetic procedure. So how long is that downtime or recovery time?
It's actually very quick. So this is an easy procedure for patients, and you see the results immediately. There can be a little bit of soreness, a little bit of bruising or tenderness, but it goes away within a couple of days, and it just leaves a nice natural lifted look. So it's been very, very nice. It's widely used in Europe. It's been very popular, and we're finally welcoming it to the United States.
Oh, so this is a new procedure.
Yes.
Now, who is the ideal patient? This woman, she said she was a flight attendant. She wants to look nice for all of her customers aboard a plane. Who are some of the other ideal clients?
So the ideal patient has mild to moderate laxity and wants a little bit more of a lifted look. Someone with severe laxity still probably wants a surgical solution. However, it can also be used on the body. We've also treated abdomen, and you can treat knees and arms. So it's a very versatile procedure. There's a lot to learn about it for the patient, and I'm excited to teach them.
I'm excited to learn more about this. Now, we have some before and after photos that you brought along with you. Tell me about this patient.
So this is a patient from the video, and she wanted to look a little bit more youthful, and we lifted her jawline and worked on her neck. She was absolutely thrilled with the result. You can see she's a little bit swollen, but that will go away in a couple days.
Okay, wonderful. And then while we're waiting for another picture, I guess, when do you see results? I've talked to some people, and they said immediately after the procedure is over, they feel refreshed.
Yes, they do. They do. And it's exciting because sometimes we'll lift half the face, have them sit up, look in the mirror, and they're just so excited. Then we do the other half. Yeah, you can see it right away.
Wow. Now tell us about this patient.
So this patient is a great example of combination therapy, and she has had multiple fillers put in, and we also did a lift on the lower face, and you can see she looks much more youthful.
It smooths out the skin, it seems like, too. It just really kind of gets rid of that under eye area lag. This is great. Now, where do we see the best results?
So the best results for the NovaLyft are probably the lower jawline and the neck. And these are areas where filler doesn't always do the job, so it's nice to have a new tool.
This is wonderful. Now, how far in advance would someone be able to schedule an appointment and be in your office getting this treatment?
Well, we are pretty busy. It's holiday season, but the quicker they call, the better, and we can have anybody looking refreshed by the holidays.
Okay, that's right. So many parties, cocktail parties, maybe some reunions going on. So this is really your busy time.
It is. It is. We're rather busy right now for all the parties. Yes.
Okay, one more time, tell people who is the ideal person, because I'm thinking you really start to see fine lines in your early 40s. But I guess men and women can go in at any time and work on any part of their body, like you said.
It's true, and we have treated men, and it's great for them because they also don't want a very plastic look. They want to look natural, and they can do this quickly. Most people won't know that they did anything, and they go about their day, and people think they had a vacation or they had a good night of sleep, and they just look better. So.
Well, my eyes perked up when I saw that you can do it on the tummy area. I must say, I will be investigating. Where do we find more information?
You can find me online at cosmeticdermatologycenter.com.
All right, wonderful. Thank you so much for coming and sharing about the NovaLyft.
Thanks so much for having me.
Absolutely. And we have off